Preeti and you are watching this video on what are the angel messages for you for your life. And in this video we will also be seeing angel messages for your love life, and these are the general angel messages that you require, that you urgently require to know in your life. And we are going to have 5 different options, and I will be putting that all the 5 options just in a minute for you, so that you can look and concentrate upon these options. So that we will do. But how you have to go about this video, just try to concentrate on all the 5 options, select one option that pulls out to you, calls your attention, and then watch the video. I have given you the timestamps below this video in the description box. So that is how you have to watch this video. Plus I would also like to say that there is going to be some messages, there are going to be some guidance steps, there are going to be some points, some action points that you have to do. At times angels cannot do all the magic for you, they depend on you. You have to do the needful, you have to take the steps so that you can have that angelic magic in your life. So how can you create that angelic magic in your life? So these are the angel messages for you. And if you have selected this number 1 option, then let's see what the cards have to say for you. The first part the angels are saying is, angels are saying that you may have, in your past, you may have gone through a situation where you have seen scarcity of money, you have seen the time of crisis. But at the same time, you have to be aware of this, that it's a matter of the past. It is already over and it's not going to repeat itself. A lot of times when people, they go through a lot of troubles, a lot of problems, they develop this mindset, they develop this mentality that, not just develop that mentality, you might even prepare yourself for the same doom to happen again, which is not going to happen in this case, because this card is already saying that the thing that has happened in the past, it has already completed it. Whatever messages it had brought for you, whatever learnings it had brought for you, that learning is complete. And in order for you to complete that learning, you need to be aware that you need to let go that. You don't have to prepare yourself for one more doom in your life. You don't have to prepare for some more challenging crisis, challenging situations in your life. Also, this might also be that people have backstabbed you, people have taken advantage of you, they have hurt you very badly. But the cards say that all that is over. That was a lesson that was given to you, and in order to complete that lesson, you need to get over this. You need to get over the fact that that thing is not going to happen again. The same thing is with the crisis, the financial crisis, the crisis of materialistic resources that you have had in past. It's not going to happen again. But at the same time, you have to remember this. You have to remember the fact that the resources, the money that you have, you need to preserve it well. You don't have to get miserly. You don't have to get too much possessive about your money, too much. You shouldn't have much grudges about your money. That, I don't know whether grudges is the right word. You don't have to hold on to your money in an unhealthy manner. If spending that money is required, you need to spend it, but try to spend it wisely. Okay, the next part is, you may get some wedding proposals. You may get, or you may fall in love with somebody, and the need to balance emotions and invitation to a social event. So this does point out to some romance in your life, or a romantic relationship to which you are invited. Maybe two people who just are in love with each other, they are inviting you towards in their wedding. So that can also be the case. And this card is also saying that you may also fall in love. You may fall in love with somebody, and you may need to balance your emotions. And so just keep that in mind. So you have this on the cards. You have this on the cards that you will soon have a social invitation. So yes, and also that social invitation can also be a live event online, because I know that in these times even a live social event is possible. The next thing is the card. The angels tell you that you need to stretch your wings and fly. Don't underestimate yourself. Angels know that you can give your best. Angels know that you have that spark within you. See, there are times when people, they are just having a wrong notion in their mind that they can get successful. They are just thinking in an egoistic manner. They are just thinking, they're just making things big, exaggerating, whereas the spark inside them is not even ready to unfurl the wings. So that situation isn't this case for you. Okay, the angels say you are ready to stretch your wings and fly, and so don't underestimate yourself. Assert your independence and creativity. So use your independence and creativity to the best, so that you can make it manifest, you can make it work the best for your life purpose. The next thing is the Three of Earth. Now this is the card. It says, see, this says a lot about you. This says a lot about you, that you have a lot of creativity inside. You have a lot of creative and innovative energy. But at the same time, there are things that you have to remember in order to be at a healthy place in this world, where you are doing something, doing some karmas that can, and you expect that those karmas bring some results. You have to be aware that the karma that you're doing is something that is expected, what people are wanting to have in their life. So in this case, your creativity, your innovativeness, you might be very much attracted towards just doing what you actually want. But you also have to remember that you have to create something for somebody in this world. So listening to that person, is important. Listening to the requirements of that person is important. What they require, what they are imagining, what they are wanting to have in the product. That is how you have to create your product. That is how you have to create your you have to use your creativity. Okay, the next part is make time for those around you. Take a sensible approach. So this card, it says you need to take a sensible approach, because you may be actually tipping the scales in the case if you get too on the workaholic side. You may totally avoid people in your family, and if you get too much on your family side, you may avoid your work. You have to avoid that. You don't do either of these. You have to try that you keep a balance in both of these, because both are important. Your career is also important, at the same time the family is also important. Okay, so these are the messages that the angels want to send out to you. Now let's see some more messages. Angels are also saying that you have to allow love in your life, which directly points out that you may be somebody who is very uneasy to accept love or to give love. And you can see that Mother Mary is with you. The energy of Mother Mary is with you. So try to take the help of Mother Mary's energy, that she can help you with this love energy. Love energy is very important, that it stays balanced. As we saw in this card, that you are either very much workaholic, or you are very much driven towards your family. You're very much bent towards your family. Both of these, I said, is an imbalance. So the balance can be achieved with the help of Mother Mary. Just ask her to help you to balance how much love you have to give, where to give that much love, and how much of that love you have to spare for your family or for your career. Okay, the next card here, it says, if you have any issues, if you have any health issues, or if you have any health problems, or something in your life, something in your health, it bothers you, the cards do say that try to follow an alternative approach of medicine. Now yes, I do agree. I'm not an anti-medical world. I do know that doctors, the traditional medical world, is definitely something that can help you, but there are times when you will need some herbal, something from the herbs, something from the nature. So so when that can be done, possibly you have to try to take medicines that are of herbal nature, that have come from the nature, that have come from the flowers, flower extract, aromatherapy, back flower remedies. All of these are some therapies, some remedies that have come from the nature, homeopathy, Ayurveda, naturopathy. So try to get into that. If you're not finding a solution with the traditional medicines, try to follow the alternative medicines. And even in that alternative medicine therapy, I would also suggest that just go to somebody, just go to some expert who has a good mastery in their subject. Okay, so do try to follow that. The next thing about the cards, it says, see, I do see that you have a issue with your root chakra. And when you have issue with your root chakra, problems with finances is going to be there. You will face either crisis or you might face abundance, but that too, it doesn't stay very steady. It just keeps floating. It just is like a roller coaster ride. So the cards do say that you have a problem with your Mooladhara chakra and you need to keep the Mooladhara chakra balanced. Now, if you have this question, okay, how do I balance my chakra? There are various ways how you can balance your chakras. The best I suggest is by chakra balancing meditation. But also along with chakra balancing meditation, I do suggest that you can you can use some crystals, energy of crystals, to keep your chakras balanced once you have done the chakra balancing. And try to share something that you have access, you have in excess, and whatever you have extra, unnecessary or unused, donate it, give it in charity to the ones who need it. Because even something that you don't need, something that is just lying, it is also going to accumulate karma. Okay, so try to be aware of that and have things only that you are using. And now let's see some angel messages for your love life. Angel messages for your love life. It's actually good news. It is actually a very, very positive message. If you have somebody in your life, if you are a committed person, if you have a committed relationship in your life, the cards do say that try to work on your relationship. Okay, because your relationship is going to give you some very good results. You have to work on your love life. And a lot of times people feel that love relationship is something that you don't need to maintain. It just keeps on happening because you have such strong feelings that you will not need to maintain that relationship, which is not the right thing. Every relationship you will need to maintain, which is also the case with your love life. Okay, the next thing is it's about a honeymoon. But I know if you are married, if you have kids, you may feel, okay, what sort of honeymoon do I have? You can definitely spend some time with your partner and take a holiday and go on a vacation with your partner just for a few days. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So do enjoy this time together, which is going to increase the closeness between both of you. It's going to help you to gel your energies very well with each other. Do stay aware of that. The next part of this reading, it says, it is actually very, very posse. All of these cards, especially these cards, they are just giving very, very positive messages. This card, it says that this cherub is announcing that a wonderful new emotional experience is coming into your life. So with reference to the love life that we just saw, a very beautiful emotional experience is coming your way. But a lot of you guys may not be into a relationship, so you may question, okay, what about us? So for all those who are single, this is a very good news that you will find somebody new in your life. Somebody new in your life with which you can connect, with whom you can connect on an emotional level. You may meet someone new who makes your heart flutter, and your relationship will experience a reawakening. Okay, so if you already have a relationship, you will experience that relationship is reawakening. The emotional love feelings, romantic feelings are just reawakening for each other. But just in case you don't have a partner, then you will have those kind of feelings, those kind of emotions for somebody new who is going to enter your life. It is also possible that your intuitive abilities will be greatly increased by an open heart. See, this is again been repeated. One more thing the card had said earlier, that you have a problem giving and receiving love, which again this card is pointing out towards. You will have a lot more in your life. You will experience a lot more fullness in your life if you just give and receive love openly. Okay, so it's also possible that about your intuitive abilities, you have a very good intuition, but your intuition can develop very well if you are giving and receiving love energy very well in your life. Okay, so remember that. And then so this is the reading for you. Let me know in the comments how did you like this reading, and let's get to the next option. Okay, so if you have chosen number 2, then this is the reading for you. So these are going to be the angel messages for you that you require you require very urgently in your life. So the first message the cards have to say is, somehow it is asking you to recall the memories of your past, recall your childhood memories and issues regarding children romanticizing the past. So this is actually a card that about the moments in your past. So it can be from a past lover that you have had in your past. It is also about something in your past. It can be some knowledge, it can be a person from your past, from your childhood, or it can be some lesson that you had learned in your past, which is going to be of help to you right now while you're watching this video. So you know what from your past is actually going to help you in your present life. So do stay aware of it. The next part here about is the Page of Air, logical, honest, impulsive, curious, challenging information, delays or changes to plans, truth delivered without tact. So this card, it says that you will have some challenging information at your hand, and that challenging information, it needs to be dealt really well. And the plans that you have made, you may require to alter them, you may require to change them, or you may require to totally make another new plan. And delays or changes to plans. So maybe whatever you have planned, it might get delayed, or it might get altered or transformed or changed into totally something new. Truth delivered without tact. So sometimes truth that is delivered without tact, it can be taken as bluntness, it can be taken as bitter truth, it can be taken as a lot of other things, which is usually not readily acceptable by anyone. But yes, you may actually face this, that somebody is telling you the truth which is really bitter, which is maybe even without emotions. They are not even seeing what kind of emotions you might go through, and they are just saying it bluntly. So you may be bothered even by that. So there might be people who may be that way around you, and even if they say something like that, remember that it is their story. At times when people try to create a drama in your life, remember that drama, it springs from the drama inside them. Maybe that may not be your entire story. Okay, the next part is a sudden event. That means immediate attention, time is of the essence. So there might be a sudden event that might need your attention. Time is of the essence. Think things through carefully. So you might need to think things carefully, and I have realized that whenever you have this card, you usually try to be very impulsive, you usually try to be very restless, and as it is said here, adventurous, restless, self-assured, passionate. So though you are self-assured, though you are restless, but you will have to think things carefully, because the situation that you are seeing, it's not as easy as it seems. It is not as it is not as simple as it seems. Okay, so do stay aware of that. The next part is this, a desire to move on, the search for something more meaningful, spiritual and emotional. Okay, so this is the card that usually pops up whenever you have to just let go something, whenever you have to let go something in your life, and what do you need to let go? At times, even when everything around you is perfect, still you know that that is not good enough, still you know that that is not helping you to grow. That is where you will have this intense feeling of just letting go and changing your situation, changing your place, or wherever you are, you just need to change that situation and circumstances. So you will need to move on. This card does say you will need to move on and the search for something more meaningful. You need to start searching for something meaningful, something that is fulfilling your purpose. Spiritual and emotional growth. You will start growing spiritually and emotionally once you actually make this move. I know that, this is actually totally your choice, and this is very clearly saying, and whatever I am saying, you know which area of your life this guidance applies to. This guidance easily, it's like clearly saying that you need to let go, you need to move on, you need to take a new direction. But I cannot force you to take any direction. I cannot force you to leave something or leave somebody and move on and move to the next direction. It is totally your choice. But yes, the cards do say that, and I also suggest that do this when you are 100% ready, by taking 100% accountability of your actions. Okay, the next part the card says is some kind of balance is essential. The need for balance and moderation, cooperation and compromise. Wait for the perfect timing. So this card actually points out to a need for balance and moderation. So if you are going too much on the extreme, you need to moderate yourself. If you are underperforming, or if you are under giving whatever you are supposed to perform in any situation, you need to perform to the fullest. Okay, so it's not about underperforming or overperforming. You need to stay in balance, you need to stay in moderation, and cooperation and compromise. So there can be situation where you might need to cooperate. There can be situation where you need to compromise. See, whenever this card comes, it is like a huge call for you to bring balance in your life. And you may not have any balance in your life, but this card calls out that you need to bring balance in your life. So when you bring balance, when it is essential for you to bring balance, it's usually that the next phase that you have in your life, it will be something that starts happening to you once this balance is attained. So until and unless you don't work on this balance, the next chapter in your life might not open. Okay, so just in case you are crazily waiting for something new to happen in your life, just remember this, that if you don't bring any balance to your present circumstance, it's not going to change your future. If you want to make your future better, you need to bring some balance. At times you will need to cooperate, at times you will need to compromise. The next part here is this card says this does point out that you are very, very brilliant, you're very intelligent, very, very professional with whatever you are doing, impartial. You have some very good qualities within. See, these are some very, very high class qualities that usually people wish that they have somebody in their life who has these qualities, which this card says that you have. But there are certain things. See, every human being, they do have some weaknesses, they do have some strengths. So let's now talk about what are your weaknesses, what it is that it's required that you do on your part, so that these qualities, the brilliance, the professionalism, the diplomatism that you have, you can use it to the best. So speak your mind with confidence. First thing is, speak your mind with confidence. There can be times, and especially when there is this card, when it says speak your mind with confidence, you will have this time when you have the least confidence. There you will have these situations where you have the least confidence, and the card is actually pushing you towards speaking your mind with confidence. Seek out professional advice. So in any case, if you feel that you are not good enough, try to go and seek some advice. Now, when you feel that you're not good enough, it doesn't mean that you are accepting defeat. It doesn't mean that you are accepting a failure. already this is there. You already have these qualities: brilliance, professionalism, impartial. But there are times when you will need to polish your qualities. You might need to polish the side of you which is not shining, which is not bright. Okay, so which is what the cards say: balance mental and emotional considerations. You will require to balance your mental and emotional considerations. Seek out professional advice. Yeah, as I said, if you find it difficult to handle things on your own, try to seek out professional advice. Now let's take the next part. It is important that you have compassion in your life. Angels are telling you to bring more compassion in your life. Accept people. See, there are, as I said, that you are brilliant, you are impartial, you are very professional. So there can be some part of you which is like par excellence. And yeah, see, I do believe that you will have these qualities just because this card is saying so. But just because you are like you have these excellent qualities, it is not necessary that everybody around you will have these excellent qualities. They might be below the average, and still they are still people. If God has permitted them to be in this world, then maybe you don't have any right to judge them. You don't have any right to consider them lower than you, less than you. Okay, so you need to be compassionate. That is what the cards are saying. And try to think about things, anything that is bothering you, anything that is shaking you up. You need to think about that. Okay, the next part is the next thing this card says here is connect to profoundly powerful archangels to help you to get life guidance and solutions. Ask their help when in need. So the angels are telling you that try to call out to the archangels. And as I said here, you need to speak your mind with confidence. See, the issue about verbalizing whatever you feel is the real thing. That confidence will come by Archangel Gabriel. Plus, this confidence, being fearless and saying your word, is going to come from Archangel Michael. And the card is saying that try to connect with profoundly powerful archangels to help you get life guidance and solutions. So whenever you get stuck, you need to call out to the archangels. Ask their help when in need. Okay, so you need to do that. The next part is adapt to the natural foods and lifestyle that are organic and chemical free. So try to avoid any chemical based foods. Try to avoid any foods, any stuff that is like full of chemicals, preservatives, artificial colors, artificial flavors. Yeah, your system will function better. So I know that with the present situation that is there in this world, people usually feel, okay, if that person is having a fizzy drink, why don't I have it? But it is not necessary that everybody's system will be the same. There are people who have so much junk food and still their system functions so better. Their system is just functioning excellently. But there are people who just have a little bit of processed foods and they just screw up their health. So in this case, it does say you need to stay away from processed foods. Try to have more natural foods in your life. Try to have more natural lifestyle. Okay, I hope that you understand what I mean to say. Energizing, cleansing and protection is needed at the moment for protecting yourself and staying in integrity. So it is very much required to keep your energies centered, to keep your energies balanced and protected. A lot of times people wither away their energy. People actually wither away their mind, body, soul. It actually diminishes just because you are taking too much from the external world. So just so that you don't take any negativity from the external world, you have to remember that you have this cover of positive energy. Try to keep yourself protected, try to keep yourself safe. Okay, so there might be times when you actually when you are actually going out into the world and your energies are getting disturbed, your energies are getting affected by people in the external world, by situations, by places. But you have to make sure that you protect your energies well. How you can protect your energies, I have already discussed in my video about angel protection. So yeah, try to follow that. I will try to link that video below in the description box. So yeah, below the description box or at the end of this video. So yeah, just make sure that you watch it. Now let's see angel messages for your love life. For your love life, the cards have to say that you need to allow your heart and your soul to sing with joy. See, I have seen this in people that whenever you just get very practical in your life, you just get very practical and as if your life is full-fledged, very practical. You are like earning money, working, making ends meet. When all of that happens, you try to just avoid your passion, you try to avoid your love for each other, which the cards say you have to avoid it. You need to bring love, you need to bring joy into your life. So try to include more passion, try to have a lot more passion in your life. And it's not necessary that you have to create a whole new experience which consumes a lot of time and lot of energy. You can even include passionate gestures, you can include passionate words expressing your feelings towards each other, that you can express passion, you can express love towards your partner. The next thing is this could be the one. Also, now if you are already in a relationship, then it is required that you express your love and your passion towards your partner. But if you are not in a relationship, then if there is somebody in your life and you are feeling that inner nudge that this could be the one, so the cards do say that that person could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. So for all of you who are into a relationship, it's fine. But if, for all those of you who are single, you already have met the person, the love of your life, and you already feel that nudge inside, you already feel that warmth inside that this is the person you want in your life. So it is that person. So I think that is a very good message that you got. The next reading here is 6 of Action. What a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success. So you will experience a total success in any project or anything that you have undertaken, especially in your career, bringing towards promotions and other recognition for your efforts. So you will face a lot of recognition, you will face some fame, or you will actually be promoted or receiving an award. You will receive an award for that. Okay, if someone who can help you if somebody who can help you is offering you assistance, know that this person is heaven sent and say yes. See, now a lot of times I have seen people that they feel that their abilities are tested, their abilities are challenged by somebody who is offering them help. It is not always that way. Sometimes accepting help from others, it's going to add on to your abilities, and it's not going to prove as a competition. It's not going to prove that you have accepted defeat if you ask help from somebody or if you accept somebody's help. Okay, so the next card it says is your angels are asking you to make an important decision that you have been putting off. So anything in your life, any decision in your life which you have been putting off since long time, you need to just consider that decision. Try to consider to make that decision, and it's likely you know which choice you should make. You are very much aware what choice you have to make, and see, you might be procrastinating for this for a very long time, but now the cards are saying that you need to now decide. It's the right time for decision, and if you waste time, it's not going to prove beneficial for you. You're procrastinating, so don't upset somebody else. And at times you do procrastinate so that you don't make others unhappy. But see, when you are stopping your own progress by procrastinating, that is also going to make people unhappy by any means. Okay, ask heaven for guidance and then make the choice that celebrates who you truly are. So ask the heaven and for guidance, and then make the choice that celebrates you who truly are. So asking the help from the heaven, and whatever guidance you are receiving, and whatever guidance you are receiving, whatever intuitive guidance you are receiving, try to follow that and try to actually implement that, because asking the help of the guidance, getting answers, it's good. It's not a huge thing, but following the guidance of the universe, that is huge. Okay, So yeah, so if just in any case, if you don't know how to follow your intuition, I have a wonderful course on that. So try to try to register for that, and you will be able to clearly know what sort of guidance you have to follow and what guidance you have to avoid. Okay. So yeah, let me know how did you like this reading by commenting in the description, by commenting, by leaving your comment. And yeah, now if you have chosen this option number 3, then let's dive into this reading. The first card, the first message the angels are telling you is happy outcome, brilliant new ideas that lead to success. So first of all, if you have worked on a project, then the card does say that it's going to bring you success. It is going to bring a happy outcome, brilliant new ideas that lead to success. Also at the same time, you will receive certain very good ideas that are going to lead you to success, and have confidence in yourself. Confidence is very important in this part at this stage, because when you have done something which is going to reap its positive rewards, then you definitely need to believe in yourself. So do have some amazing confidence in yourself. A very happy family life, financial security, finding magic in the little things in life. So now if this is not the case, then let me tell you that this is soon going to come towards you. What is going to come? It's happy family life. So not just happy family life other ways, but also materialistically. Financial security, you will have good financial security for yourself as well as your family. Finding magic in the little things in life. Always people have this wrong notion in their mind that happiness is something huge, some huge miracle or a huge magical thing has to happen, but it is not necessary. Even little things that are magical, you can keep doing those things towards the people in your family, towards your loved ones, so that they feel loved, they feel the magic. So when you make others feel the magic, the people are also going to make the same efforts towards you and for you. This is the next message that the angels want to send out, that is focus, focus, focus. Communicate with vision and be a leader. So first of all, focus is required. Very, very strong focus is required for you, and communicate with vision. So try to communicate having a good vision in your mind, having a good clarity in your mind. Communication is not about just chatting or blabbering. Okay, now yeah, I don't mean to say that you are blabbering, but at the present situation where you are, any communication that is not fruitful, any communication that is not worthy should not be given a place at all in your life. Okay, so communicate with vision. Any communication that you do, it has to be in a way that is going to have when you have a good vision, try to communicate about it to others and be a leader. Try to be a leader. Yeah, there might be a situation that might call out to you to accept the leadership and advice from some creative. If you have somebody who is creative, try to take their advice, because their advice will be of help to you. The next part, the cards are saying time to buckle down and get things done. So you need to get things done, definitely on the monetary end, to get more money in your life, to get more honorable. You need to buckle up and get things done. Honor your commitments, a guardian angel. Okay, so honor your commitments, try to fulfill your commitments. And a guardian angel, it says that whenever you will need help, try to connect with your guardian angels. Now if you don't know how to connect with your guardian angels, I will be putting that video in the description box. The 9 of Earth, enjoying life's little luxuries, spending quiet time alone, successful self-employment. Enjoying life's little luxuries. Okay, now this is also a card about having money, good amount of money in your life, a good amount of luxuries, good amount of abundance coming in your life. But at the same time, still the card says enjoying life's little luxuries. So even if you have a very good luxurious life, even if you have lavish and polish arrangements in your life, you don't have to totally try to live a very expensive lifestyle. Try to avoid spending too much. Just enjoy life's little luxuries. Spending quiet time alone. Try to spend some time alone. Having a good company. Having good company is good. Having a good number of people around you is also very good. But you need to spend some good quality time along with yourself also. And successful self-employment. So self-employment, if you are not self-employed, somehow you might feel like bending towards self-employment, and you might feel like doing your own business. And if you are, so this is definitely towards self-employment. So if you are watching this video, if you are not self-employed, try to get self-employed. If you are working with a job that was not fulfilling you, that was not making you happy, try to move towards self-employment. The next thing is release. Try to release something that needs to go, and I do feel that it might be for your job. If you don't like your job, then it is this release card is for your job. Let go something that you don't like. End of a phase or a situation. Spiritual transformation. Time to move on. It does show you a time, a phase, a situation that is just about to end, and there is something new, there is something transformational that is going to about to be happened in your life. But for something to transform, you need to let go something. For something new to come in your life, you need to let go something that is old and something that is useless. Okay, so the next part the angel messages are telling you is Archangel Michael. So as I said here, as this angel message said that you need to have confidence in yourself. The same thing you need to apply here, and a lot of times when you need confidence, you may like to call upon Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael is a very good archangel for helping you to release fear, to release negativity, and accept confidence and bravery. Okay, the next part is acceptance. Okay, so that acceptance is about accepting yourself, accepting whatever you have in your life. And so you may also question this, okay, now the thing that I already have, you may have a job that sucks and you feel that, okay, now I also have to accept. So how about that? This card is telling me to accept. The card is telling you to accept the change that is happening. Okay, so don't be fooled by this, that one card is that it's saying that move towards self-employment, and I'm asking you to leave a job that is not fulfilling its purpose. But you need to leave something. You have to accept the fact that you need to leave something. You need to let go something. Okay, the next part is, and this also is there, you need to discard toxic people from your life. You may have some toxic people. Negative and low energy people will block your life progress. You can easily see that only one person is happy, all the others are not happy. If you feel there are people, if you feel that you are in a crowd that is not happy with you, see, I don't say that every time it will be the fault of others. At times it can be even your mistake if all the people around you are finding a problem with you. But there are times when you are happy, when you are true at your core, and you know that you haven't done anything wrong, still there are going to be people who don't like you. In that case, you need to avoid that toxicity. You need to get out of that company. Avoid that company. Also, see one more card about avoiding. You need to avoid things, people, places that lower your vibration. Try to avoid people, things, places that are lowering your vibration. Okay, and try to go and join people who are matching with your vibration. Help the needy people by any possible way you can, or ask for help if you are in need. Okay, also having like-minded people, joining hands with like-minded people is necessary. If you let go of people who are toxic, you need to accept people that are like nectar to your soul. Okay, let's see what are the love messages for you. First of all, the card says you need to love yourself first. A lot of times when people have problem having in their love life, when people have a problem in their love life, they find a problem finding a partner in their love life. This is totally a reason why it's very important to love yourself. This totally reflects that you need to love yourself first. If you don't love yourself, how can somebody else love you? Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. So your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive, and the more you love yourself, the more you are going to be attractive towards somebody who is actually deserving you in your life. Unrequited love. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Also, I do feel that you may already have a love relationship in your life which is already toppling. You know that that relationship is not steady, and that relationship it doesn't have the right chemistry, it doesn't have the right warmth in it. You're just trying to formally take that relationship, pushing it ahead as much as you can, but it is not, things don't work that way in life. You always have to have relationship that has a good chemistry, that has good attraction between two people. And when you have good attraction and good chemistry, that relationship is going to last for a lifetime. Okay, so that is required. The next part the angels want to tell you is Seven of Abundance. Have patience. Sometimes dreams grow slowly. Okay, you need to remember this. At times, what happens is when people grow a tree, you cannot go to the next day. When you are growing a mango tree, the next day you just cannot go and say, okay, where is my mangoes? Where are the mangoes I want? The day you plant a seed, the next day you cannot demand the fruits. Things take time to grow, and have patience. Sometimes dreams grow slowly. Don't worry. Yes, the worries you have to keep at bay, because any amount of worries is not going to help that thing grow faster. The hard work you have invested will bring about a bountiful harvest. So whatever hard work you have put in anything that you have done, it's going to bring you a very good harvest. So stay aware of it. Take note of it. Okay. This is a good time to prepare, because things will soon move forward quickly. So I do feel, because this card has come up, there will be a kind of stagnancy in your life. You will have this period where you feel that nothing is moving ahead, things are just slowly going ahead, or they have just come to a halt, which is actually a good time for preparation for action in the future, or acting now for getting harvest in the future. And because this is a good time to prepare, because things will soon move forward quickly. So just because things are going slow, it's good time to prepare. And when you will move forward, when there will be this time when the time for you to move forward has come, things will start moving quickly. And at that time, whatever hard work you have done, whatever preparations you have done at this time, this will be helpful to you in that time when you don't have time for preparation. Okay. Use this time to rest and plan. So use this time to rest and plan. The next is Three of Emotion. Wonderful news is on its way. Announcements regarding engagement, pregnancies, births and graduation will be revealed. So it can be that you may have this news to give to others, or you will have these news from others about engagements, pregnancy, somebody giving a birth to somebody, announcements, some happy announcements, or graduation that will be received, and new friends will be made. You will get a chance to make new friends. See, as I said, that making new friends is really important. Cards are again and again pointing out towards that. Also, avoiding friends that don't require your attention, that you don't deserve to have in life, is necessary. New friends will be made, or commitments of like-minded people will draw closer to one another. So you will have people in your life who have mind similar to you, who have similar thinking, who have similar thoughts, and similar thought patterns will come into your life. Exciting new beginnings or happy endings are just around the corner. As I said, that things will end and there are going to be new things that are going to begin, but you need to allow those things to happen. Okay, so do remember that, and let me know how did you like this reading. Leave a comment below so that I know how good this reading has helped you. And yeah, so now let's get with the next option. Okay, so if you have chosen the option number 4, then this is the reading for you. The first, it says an exciting new opportunity, sir. A new opportunity is coming your way. Career advancement. So you will have good chances of advancing in your career, moving ahead, moving forward, moving at a higher level in your career. Change your life now. So if there are certain things that are needed on your part, that you need to bring that change, you need to create that change, then try to change that, try to bring that change, and events moving at a fast pace. So there are this huge chances that events will start moving at a very good pace, at a very fast pace. Delays are over. So whatever was delaying, if you feel that in life certain things were getting delayed, a lot of things were not just moving forward, then delays are going to end and things are going to move forward quickly. Many things happening at once. So yes, so this is also there. A lot of things will happen all of a sudden and you have to be prepared for it. The next part is, when I say this, try to remember that this is, it can be a whole bunch of positive things, okay? The next is the Emperor. Organization and logic, structure and discipline, leadership. So this Emperor is asking you that you need to bring organization and logic in your life. So try to be more and more organized. Try to be, at times being logically well settled in your mind is good. Structure and discipline. In order for you to succeed in the outer world, you need to be like successful in your inner world. So try to, in the outer world means in the world out there and your work and everything that you do. But when your things are structured in your home, in the personal space you have, it's going to help you with the external world, what kind of life you live in the external world. Leadership, you will be offered a role of leadership. Maybe you may not be formally offered this leadership role. You may just have to take this role. You may just have to accept this role. The next the card says is a time of positive change. So yes, I do see a very good and very positive change coming in. A situation suddenly moves forward. So wherever things you just felt that it is just blocking, things are not moving ahead, and you just try to give your best, you just try to you just did not leave any stone unturned, but still things did not move forward. In that case, the card says that it is now good time that things will start moving forward and fortune is on your side. With whatever things were stuck, there is going to be good fortune that is going to be followed by it. Also, you've come into your own. So this greatly points out that you have, wherever, with up to whatever extent you have reached in your success, this card does say that you have come till here on your own and new partnerships or contracts continue to move forward. So you may feel like developing a new partnership and signing new contracts. All of that is there on the cards. Continue to move forward. See, this is the time that whatever was stagnant, whatever was holding you back, it's now all the blockages, all the hindrances are going to be removed from your life. So this is just the time to keep moving forward. A lot of things are going to happen. You will be getting into partnership, or you will be getting into creating something by yourself, and all of that will happen. And you just have to remember that during this time you just need to continuously keep moving forward. The next is defend your beliefs and decisions. Some part of your belief system, you know at the core that this is the bestest thing to follow. You know that this is the bestest decision to follow. Stand your ground. You need to stand your ground. Whatever you believe in, you need to take. See, first of all, you need to stand your ground. First of all, you need to believe that what your belief system is actually something that is worth doing, that is worth following. Thereafter, people are going to believe in you. Okay, choose your battles wisely. Just because, see, defend your beliefs and decisions, that does point out that people will try to oppose you. But also this card says try to choose your battles wisely. You don't have to get into a battle with everybody. A battle is different and defending oneself is different. Okay. The next is about, this card is about your health. Try to keep your health balanced. Okay, just because I see a very fast pace here, just because I see that things are going to start moving forward, and as I said that you may have a stagnant life or things that have slowed down. See, whenever you haven't experienced that fast pace, that quick pace for a long time, it will be possible that you are totally not prepared. Your body is not totally prepared for going through that lifestyle of quick pace. So you need to take care of your health at that time also. And your dreams will be very significant. Any dream that you feel is significant, try to focus on that, and try to see what that dream is trying to tell you. Try to see what that dream is trying to it's trying to signify you. The next is, money will come with ease. This is the money card. Okay, before I say anything about it, I'm just showing you the money. Money will come with ease and grace when your work will positively help others. When you will help so positively to the world, that now the money cannot stop itself from coming to you. Okay, so your focus on your karma, focus on giving the bestest karma possible, such that it can bring the bestest of money in return. The next thing is, the cards say, it's time to learn. Learning something to increase your expertise will increase your understanding about a subject. So just in case, for at this moment, as I said, that you may be things may be at a halt, or it may be moving very slowly. So in that case, if you feel that about certain area you need to enlighten yourself with more knowledge, try to learn. The cards say it's time to learn. Learning something to increase your expertise will increase your understanding about a subject. Okay, so yes, so try to learn something that you feel is necessary to learn. You might have this bent, you might have this inner feeling that you need to read a book, or you need to meet as somebody, or you need to go and do somebody's course. So try to do it. Clear your mind from any negative thoughts or belief systems. Okay, so clear your mind from any negative thoughts or belief systems that no longer work for your good. So you may have a thought pattern that is, there are so many thought patterns, there are so many belief systems that sometimes people acquire through the lifestyle that they live. But at times it's like a lesson that you have to learn and then move ahead. It's not some belief that you have to hold on to for your entire life. So try to remember this, that you don't have to stick on to that belief system. Something that is not working for you, you need to let go. Let's see a message for your love life. Angel message for your love life. There is a strong magnetic attraction. For this, for all the people who are into a relationship, it says that there is a strong chemistry, a strong magnetic attraction. That now, if you feel that the relationship has diminished in its charm, you will feel that the charm is regenerating. Okay, you are just getting recharged. There is a strong magnetic attraction that is going to start happening between both of you. For all those people who don't have a partner in their life, you will have somebody on your mind about whom you have feelings, and the card says go ahead and make that romantic gesture. You need to go ahead and express your love. You need to go ahead and propose to them. Okay, share with them your feelings, how you feel for them, what are your plans for them, and see what they have to say. Okay, the next part is 8 of action. There is so much going on right now that it may feel overwhelming to you. A lot of things might happen in your life and it might feel overwhelming. As I said, this lot of action is also going to be there. A lot of positive action is also going to be there, plus a lot of some other actions, not other actions, but a lot of other activities that might happen, which might make you feel confused, and it might make you feel totally overwhelming. And yet it's wonderful to be so busy with the work that you love. Okay, so if you love your work, if you feel that your work is something that you adore and it's like at the top of your mind, then it is the best thing that you give your time to. Express gratitude for the blessings of heaven that are taking up your time. So the blessings of the heaven, express gratitude, whatever blessings you are receiving from the heaven. Even if you're super busy, even if your life is getting hectic, still it's kind of blessing, because there are so many people who are so talented, but they just don't have that much work in their life. So now when you have a lot of work, you have to be thankful for the blessings that heaven has sent towards you. And even if life feels challenging, if you are asked to travel and take a flight, then do so with confidence. If whatever you are facing is feeling challenging, if you are asked to travel, if you are supposed to go to some place to in order to do some work or anything, if it's very very necessary, then the cards do say that don't fall behind. You need to go ahead and take that flight and take that action. Okay, the next thing is a win-win solution. There is strength in diversity. By blending the ideas of other people with your own, you can often come up with a solution that is magnificent. See, when you try to communicate with others and try to bring a solution that is going to be good for both of you or for all of you involved in this situation, then there is nothing better than that. Start by focusing on the aspects that everyone agrees upon. Okay, so try to, and yeah, this may actually feel that it is challenging. How can everybody agree upon anything? Everybody will have their own opinion, and you need to consider that opinion and decide. Whatever decision you make, try to consider everybody's opinion and then decide. And it should, everybody's opinion should be considered, and the final decisions should reflect everybody's willingness, okay, everybody's opinions. And start by focusing on the aspects that everybody agrees upon, and then open your mind to compromise and work together. Stay balanced and seek out a moderate approach. Okay, try to stay balanced as much as you can. As I said, there is going to be a lot of work that's going to come towards you. There is going to be a lot of transformation, a lot of positive stuff that's going to happen to you, but at the same time you will also feel a lot of other overwhelming feeling, also a feeling of hectic lifestyle, but you need to keep a balance between both of them. Okay, so this is the reading for this option. Let me know in the comments how did you like this reading. And so let's move ahead with the next option. Okay, so if you have chosen the option number 5, then this reading applies to you. The first is news of an exciting new endeavor. Use your originality and ingenuity. So this option, so this card does say that there is good news that is coming towards you, and a new endeavor is going to begin. And this shows your personality. You are outgoing, creative, confident, mischievous, or this is the kind of person that's going to enter your life. And this person can be at any level, either with your relationship or with your work, or something that is connected with you, not always love life. The next is the Chariot. An important achievement, self-discipline and willpower, public recognition. So a kind of achievement that you have to make. Also, you need to take the step forward. Self-discipline and willpower. Self-discipline and willpower is something that takes you a long way, which this card is saying that you need to consistently, you need to work on both of these, self-discipline and willpower, public recognition. So there are also chances that you gain public recognition. The next is listen to your intuition, have patience, consider carefully what you want before acting. So as I said, see, having patience, consider carefully what you want before acting. When you do this really well, when you do this like in a very nice and calculated manner, that is going to help you attain more self-discipline. Okay, so do remember this. And the next part is, it's the card for the Moon. You may face some uncertainties in life. Some part of your life, it may feel that things are not going the way you feel, the way you want them to go, and certain people, it might be difficult for you to judge them or try to understand what is actually happening in your life or in some area or with some person. This says that there are going to be some very important psychic insights that you will receive, because this is the time when your intuition is working like very, very strongly. Okay, events behind the scenes release fears that hold you back. So whatever fears that are holding you back, you need to realize what those fears are, and you need to release them, because there is this beautiful quote about fears, that success lies one step ahead from fear. Okay, so do keep that in mind. Also, I see that there is going to be one very shocking experience that's going to come towards you, or this has already happened in your life. Now, that shocking experience can be that something has been revealed to you which you never expected that it should happen in your life. A significant life event, something that is very, very significant is going to happen to you, a powerful revelation that leads to change. So something that will be revealed to you which will lead that you make some or the other changes, and time to spread your wings. So this is the time that you need to spread your wings. You don't need to you don't need to set back, or you don't need to diminish. You have to it's time that you spread your wings. Scholarly, dependable, patient, successful. So this is something, these are some qualities that you will acquire, or it can be that some people with these qualities, you are interacting with these kind of people. Good news about financial matters. Yes, you will have some good news on financial basis. Wanting to do something more challenging. You may want to do something challenging in your life and a new area of study. You will feel like delving into some new area of study. You might feel like doing something that is more challenging to you, which is perfectly fine. And just because this card has come up, I would like to encourage you to move ahead and move forward to do something challenging. Okay, the next part is freedom and expression. So first of all, freedom is very necessary for you. It's very important that you have freedom in speech, freedom in action, and here it's very clearly saying freedom of expression. So you have the choice that you have freedom to express. And let's see what the next part is saying. First of all, creativity. Let your creative juices flow. Try indulging into creative projects. So it is good that you indulge into projects that involve creativity, that involve that you start working on your right brain. The next thing is you need to follow your divine inner spark. That is what will bring enrichment in your life. See, everything is going to work fine if you are in touch with your divine inner spark. You need to follow your divine inner spark. That is what will bring enrichment in your life. Okay, so that is a challenge that you have. You may find this that it's very easy for you to not get in touch with your divine inner spark and just consider in some other areas, or focus more on this freedom, on this expression, on this creativity. See, it is good. Everything that all the messages that you have got is good, but the main point here is you need to get in touch with your divine inner spark. Once that is done, all the other factors that are listed, all the other messages that are told to you by the angels, they are going to come out with flying colors. Okay, the next part is choose a better company. Like-minded people help you to increase your vibes and maintain high spirits. So just in case if you feel that you don't have good company, the card is telling you that you need to choose better company. Okay, if things don't happen like on its own, you will need to choose better company. Like-minded people will help you to increase your vibes. Okay, so yeah, so you will be having good high vibrations once you start connecting with people that have a like mind as yours. It is very important that you maintain high spirits. Okay, just because I have told you certain things here, that there is going to be an experience that's going to reveal something very shocking. There are going to be people, situation, places in your life that bring uncertainty. So when all of this is there, it is required that you don't do anything further that is bringing more darkness in your life. So try to have better company. So when you have people who are like very good people, who are very positive with their mindset, these kind of people will help you to move ahead in your life. Okay, allow sunshine to enter into your life. See, as I said that you have an experience that is shocking. People, there is uncertainty, moon energy is there. When all of this is happening, it's a direct reflection of what you have already had in your life. See, the actions that you created in your past, those actions have brought the results that you have in your present. So in order that you have a better future, you need to choose better company. You need to allow your divine spark to flow out. You need to allow sunshine to enter your life. Bask into the warm sun energy during sunrise and sunset. Use sun's energy. See, at times allowing sunlight energy on your body, it's going to help you to remove the negative energies from you. Use a power symbol to enhance your life. So use symbol power. So if you are belonging to any religion and some religious symbol you are highly attracted towards, then try to include that power symbol in your life, such that that symbol can start bringing positivity in your life. Okay, and for example, if you are into Christianity, try to wear the cross. If you are into Hindu religion, try to wear the Om or any other thing that you feel is close to your heart. meditate and ask angels to give you a specific symbol to solve your problems. Try to meditate and ask your angels to give a symbol. Okay, now this is a little bit advanced, and if you have, and I did tell you that you have a very strong intuition. Intuition is giving you some very good guidance, so that is going to bring you a good symbol. It's going to tell you what symbol you should include in your life at this moment, so that you bring the necessary changes in the energy around you. For all those, now let's get into the love messages for your life. This is the romance for a lifetime. See, if you are already into a relationship, the cards do say that this relationship, it's like a romance of a lifetime. Okay, this is going to be a romance that you are going to cherish for a lifetime. For all the people who are not in a relationship and who want to be in a relationship, you may feel that financial issues are a factor in your love life right now, and for that you might feel that working on your finances and on your career before you work on your love life is very important, which actually is the case. Okay, for all those, even if you are in a relationship and if you feel that it's not the right time for taking the step ahead in your relationship, it is important that you focus more on the finances and your career, such that you become ready, you make yourself ready for taking that next step in your relationship. Okay, and the final cards here says that Six of Emotion. Memories can fill your heart with many emotions. So some memories from your past can fill your heart with emotions. It is important to remember your past accurately. Okay, so certain things from your past you might very strongly require to remember, just so that you can find a solution in your present life about some problem that you might be facing, without seeing it as better or worse than it was. See, in your past you might have experienced something bad or something good. So rather than dwelling in the feeling that you experienced while experiencing that situation, you have to totally bring yourself out of that situation, totally bring yourself out of that drama, and try to see what learning you got from that situation, and then apply that learning in the present problem that you have. And if you totally understood what I mean to say by that. People you used to know may return in your life unexpectedly. So person from your past, anybody from your past might come into your present. Children should be an important issue. If you have kids, it's important that you pay attention to them, or you may need to reconnect with your own inner child. If you don't have kids, you may require to reconnect with your own inner child. Healer of abundance. Let's say, what does this card say? Let's see. Never doubt that you can make a difference. So cards strongly believe that you can make a huge difference. Your creativity and ability to be innovative makes you destined to succeed. Your creativity and ability to be innovative is like, it's so good that it is going to allow you to bring destined success in your life. It might be time to expand your career. So it is time that you expand your career, but don't forget to leave time for family. Remember that when you move towards your career, it's important that you give same amount of attention even to your family. This situation involves a person, and that person can be possibly you, who's down to earth with a gift or design of decorating. He or she is open-minded and nurturing. So this can be about you, or it can be about somebody whom you know. Okay, and that somebody, it can be your partner, or it can be a friend that is influencing you a lot. Okay, so do keep this in mind, and I hope that you like this reading. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this reading? And if you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.